Myth number 1 is costing local owners real revenue. Google AI overviews killed SEO. Organic clicks dropped about 38% on many informational queries, and panic posts declared traditional search dead. That is incomplete. Generative engine optimization recovered roughly 52% of that lost opportunity for businesses that adapted. The rest of this video shows the real traffic math, why ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, Claude and Gemini changed discovery, the GEO moves that Claude visibility back, and the weekly system that keeps you recommended instead of replaced. I'm going to cover 5 things: the myth versus the measured drop, why zero-click answers do not mean zero demand, how generative engine optimization differs from classic SEO, the recovery playbook that restored about half the lost value, and how to measure whether AI engines still name your business. First, the traffic drop is real and the death narrative is not. When Google rolled AI overviews across more queries, click-through rates fell hard on definitional and how-to-style searches. Publishers and local service sites saw roughly a 38% decline on pages that used to win position 1 with thin informational content. That number is not a rumor. It matches what many teams measured when the answer box stopped sending the click and started answering on the results page. But AI overviews did not erase buyer intent. People still need plumbers, dentists, HVAC techs, law firms, restaurants, and local pros. What changed is the path. ChatGPT search, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, Claude research sessions, and Gemini local tips now absorb the early research layer. Classic blue link SEO still matters for commercial and local pack journeys, but pure informational monopoly traffic is thinner. Calling that the death of SEO is like calling GPS the death of roads. The map changed. The destination did not. Second, zero-click is not zero opportunity. Zero-click search means the user got an answer without visiting a site. For brands, that can look like a loss. For operators who show up inside the overview, citation, or shortlist, it is free trust transfer. When Google AI overviews names your business, when Perplexity cites your service page, when ChatGPT recommends you for a city plus job query, you win the decision before the website session. Generative engine optimization is the discipline of becoming that named entity. GEO is not a rebrand of keyword stuffing. It is entity clarity, extractable facts, review proof, multi-platform consistency, and answer-shaped content that models can quote without inventing you. Classic SEO optimized for rank position. GEO optimizes for being the source machines trust enough to surface. Third, how the 52% recovery actually happened. Teams that recovered about 52% of the lost opportunity did 4 things in parallel. Move number 1 was entity hygiene. Exact business name, address, phone, categories, hours, and service area across Google Business Profile, the website, directories, and social profiles. Messy NAPE confuses Google AI overviews and Gemini. Clean entities make you easy to recommend. Move number 2 was answer-ready pages, not fluff blog posts. Pages that state the service, city, price bands where honest, process steps, timelines, and FAQs in plain language. ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity prefer extractable structure. If your page reads like a brochure with no facts, models skip you for a competitor with a clear checklist. Move number 3 was proof density. Reviews that mention specific jobs and neighborhoods. Before and after photos, case snippets, staff credentials. When AI overviews and Perplexity need corroboration, thin 5-star walls lose to multi-source evidence. Move number 4 was multi-engine monitoring. They stopped checking only Google rank. Every month they asked Google AI overviews, style results, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini, who they recommend for top jobs in their city. If a competitor appeared and they did not, they fixed the gap the same week. That feedback loop is why recovery was not random, it was engineered. Fourth, the weekly GEO playbook you can run without a 20-person SEO agency. Play number 1. Audit your top 20 money queries. Split them into informational, commercial, and local intent. Expect AI overviews pressure on informational. Double down on local and commercial pages with map pack signals, reviews, and clear offers. Play number 2. Rebuild 3 money pages for answer extraction. Add a short definition block, a 5-step process, a pricing or range section if ethical, a service area list, and an FAQ written the way customers actually ask ChatGPT and Perplexity. Use the same language buyers type. Play number 3. Tighten Google Business Profile and citation consistency this week. Categories, services, photos, products, or menu items, and weekly posts. AI Overviews and Gemini lean on fresh, coherent local entities. Play number 4. Collect themed reviews after every job or ask customers to name the service, neighborhood, timeline, and result. Those phrases become the exact strings Google AI Overviews and ChatGPT lift into recommendations. Play number 5. Run a 30-minute AI shortlist check every Friday. Query your top 5 jobs in your city across Google AI Overviews, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini. Log whether you are named, what proof is cited, and which competitor won. Fix the weakest proof gap before next week. Play number 6. Publish one first-party asset weekly that machines can cite. A process explainer, a city-specific guide with real operational detail, or a comparison page that is honest about when you are and are not the fit. Thin-spun content does not recover the 38%. Specific, quotable content does. Notice the pattern. Recovery is not chasing every algorithm rumor. Recovery is becoming the clearest, most citable local operator in your category so that when traffic shifts from blue links into AI answers, you still own the recommendation. Recap the myth. Google AI Overviews did cut organic clicks, often around 38% on vulnerable informational queries. SEO is not dead. Generative engine optimization recovered about 52% of that lost opportunity for businesses that fixed entities, built answer-ready pages, stacked real proof, and monitored ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, Claude, and Gemini every week. The owners still posting SEO is over are handing shortlist spots to competitors who adapted. If you want Ninja to scan how visible your business is across Google, AI Overviews, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini, including entity gaps, weak proof, and competitor shortlist risk after the AI Overviews traffic shift, go to tryninja.ai. Setup takes 2 minutes. The first scan is free. You will see whether machines can confidently name you or whether the 38% drop is still unrecoverable because nobody optimized for the new answer layer. Stop mourning classic SEO. Start winning generative recommendations. Get found first where buyers now ask.